Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on how to draw cartoons and all sorts of stuff. And today, I'll show you something in the style of a new booklet I have out at Hobby Lobby and Amazon, Cartoony Animals. I've got 6 booklets and are everything from anime to figure drawing, etc. So today I'd like to show you how to draw a very cute chipmunk. It's almost impossible to draw a chipmunk that is not cute, but it's always possible, I guess. Let's avoid that problem. All right, so we're going to start off with a very wide face, like so. Here's the nose. This is the muzzle right here. Here is the tooth. Let's put a peanut right here. See, that's the shape of a peanut. And we'll give him fingers. I'll do this over in black in a minute. And we'll have him holding the peanut. These are his forearms. Here's the head. We'll put the eyes in. Don't worry, I'm not going to forget the eyes. And here's his torso. Now let's make these eyes far apart like this, but close to the bridge of the nose. I'm going to flatten them a little bit because they're looking down. I'll do it in black, as I said. Put them ears up. This is a split lip, which means it goes down from the nose. Lips go down like this and then come up. Many mammals have that. Some do not. Horses do not. It's good to know which ones do. I've known some cartoonists who have given horses split lips, and the horses are quite perplexed about it. All right, I think we'll be able to do this now and do it over and give it a good go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. A little button nose for this cute guy. We're going to give a little crease for that smile. Like that. And some big eyes right next to the smile, but spread far apart. Some eyelashes, just a couple. Put the teeth in the middle. Eyebrows way up. And nice flowing line from the forehead to the cheeks. I'm going to stick that peanut under here. Try to avoid the eye on that side. Move the fingers up a little bit so they are on that peanut. Otherwise it's a floating peanut, which is probably delicious too, but it's not what we really want. Bring the ears up. The reason is if you don't, we're going to miss them. We won't see them. There's a lot going on, so if you want your viewer to see something, you have to make it pronounced. And I'll give them a little furry chest, like that. A couple of salivary lines, maybe a motion line or two, and a couple of indentations to show that it is a peanut. Hey, that's fun. Let me just erase this guy, all the pencil markings. Yeah, fun that you can make all those adjustments with pencil, and then you got it. You don't have to get it right the first time. You can use your final try, and just when you have everything, you go for it. Okay. Well, that is your adorable chipmunk. I hope you like them, and I hope that you come back again. Please subscribe. New videos every Monday. Bye-bye.